Finishing up this section that's entitled Law of Cosines, we're going to take a look at finding the area of a triangle, and the formula we're going to look at to do that is called Heron's formula. So this here. And this really has nothing to do with the law of cosines. I think why it's included in this section is that the only information that's going to be given in these problems is the length of the three sides of a triangle, which is similar to one of the examples in law of cosines. But other than that, I can think of no reason it's here. But it is here, so we'll take a look at it. And the formula for Heron's for finding the area using Heron's formula is this formula here that says the area of the triangle is the square root of this thing called S, and now A, B, and C are the lengths of the sides of the triangle, so it's going to be this thing called S times S minus the length of one side, S minus the length of a second side, and S minus the length of the third side. So we're going to find this S, we're going to subtract the length of each of the sides from it, multiply it by S, and then take the square root. What is this thing S? So S is 1/2 of the perimeter, or this here. So S is, find the perimeter of the triangle, add A and B and C, and then multiply it by 1/2, or another way to say that is divide by 2. So to use Heron's formula, we're going to have to find the perimeter, divide by 2, and then proceed with using the formula. In this example, first thing we have to do is find S. And so S is 1/2, and now it's the length of the three sides. In our example, A is 6, B is 16, and C is 18. So we add all those lengths together. And so this is 1/2, 6 plus 16 plus 18 is 40. And then 1/2 of 40 is 20. So S is 20. Now we can proceed with using the formula for area, and the area is this S, so this 20, and now it's going to be 20 minus the first length, A, which is 6, 20 minus 16, and then 20 minus 18, and this is all under a square root symbol. So I'll do these calculations so you can follow along here. And 20 minus 6, we have 14. 20 minus 16 is 4. And then last but not least, 20 minus 18 is 2. So we're multiplying all of this. And this gives us the square root of 2240. And when we take this square root, we get 47 and a decimal. So I'm going to look back up here, and it says to the nearest square meter. So this is going to be 47, and this is square meters, because remember, area is always the measure squared. And that's all there is to Heron's formula.